Welcome to Narrative English. In this video, I'll teach you 100 basic English questions and answers that people use every day. If you want to learn English, this will help you a lot. Let's start.
Hi. Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
What's your name?
My name is Emma. What's yours?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from India.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am. And you?
I'm a student too.
How old are you?
I'm 22. You?
I'm 23.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little. I'm learning.
That's great. Practice makes perfect.
Do you live here?
Yes, I live nearby.
How long have you lived here?
For about 2 years.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family. What do you study?
I study English and computer science.
Sounds interesting.
What's your favorite subject?
I like English and history.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, one brother.
I have a sister.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies and listen to music.
Me too.
What's your favorite movie?
I love Titanic.
I like Avengers.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I like storybooks.
Me too. I love novels.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy pop music.
I prefer rock.
Can you cook?
A little.
I love cooking.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Same here.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football.
I like badminton.
What's your hobby?
Drawing and painting.
That's cool.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes.
What do you like to watch?
Comedy shows. Do you have a pet?
Yes, a dog.
I have a cat.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Me too.
What's the time now?
It's 3 o'clock. What day is it today?
It's Monday. What's the date today?
It's July 14th. How's the weather?
It's sunny and hot.
I like sunny days.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little.
Let's eat something.
Do you like coffee or tea?
Coffee. You.
Tea.
What do you want to eat?
Just a sandwich. Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Me too.
What languages do you speak?
English and French. You?
English and Hindi.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, sometimes.
Me too.
How do you go to school?
By bus.
I walk.
What do you want to become?
A software engineer.
I want to be a teacher.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, very much.
Where do you want to go?
Paris. What's your dream?
To speak English fluently.
Keep practicing, you'll get there.
How long have you been learning English?
For 2 years.
I just started 6 months ago.
Why do you want to learn English?
To travel and get a good job. Do you like reading the news?
Yes, I read online. Are you tired?
A little bit.
What time do you sleep?
Around 11 p.m.
I sleep by 10.
Do you use social media?
Yes, mostly Instagram. Can I ask you something?
Sure.
Do you believe in luck?
Sometimes.
Me too.
Are you a morning person?
Not really. I like to sleep in. Do you like your college?
Yes, it's great. What's your favorite color?
Blue? You?
Black.
Do you write a diary?
No, but I want to try. How do you relax?
Listening to soft music. Do you enjoy rainy days?
Yes, with a cup of tea. Do you go to the gym?
Sometimes. I prefer yoga. What makes you happy?
Spending time with friends. Can you drive?
Yes, I learned last year. Are you afraid of heights?
A little bit. What do you do on weekends?
I relax and watch movies. Are you good at drawing?
Not at all. Can you play any instruments?
I play the guitar. Do you like museums?
Yes, they are peaceful. What are you doing tomorrow?
I have a test. Are you studying tonight?
Yes, after dinner. Do you eat out often?
Only on weekends. Do you prefer books or movies?
Books. They last longer. What's your favorite fruit?
Mangoes.
What do you fear?
Snakes. Have you ever been on a plane?
Yes, twice. Do you want to meet again tomorrow?
Sure. Same place, same time.
Deal.
This video is perfect for those who want to learn basic English. Watch this video again and again to find best result. Thank you.